What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy with the clean shoes, the man with the plan, whatever you want to call me. Hope you guys are doing well. We have an extremely long day today, guys. So currently I'm on my way to the Adro headquarters, which is pretty much by LAX. We are putting on the Adro bumper today, finally. The day a lot of you guys haven't been waiting for, but I don't care. You guys seen in one of the previous videos, bumpers painted, pretty much PPF'd already. It matched pretty well to me. I mean, obviously we gotta put it on the car, see different kind of lighting, see how it really looks, but I think it'll be fine. I don't think it's off enough to actually bother me, because you know, I got OCD, bro, and it's pretty bad. The only thing I was telling you guys I didn't really like about the grill and the mesh that the bumper comes with, I was mentioning to you guys, they have like the V2 version where it's a carbon grill, and the instead of the mesh they have like the actual carbon ducts. It's similar to the ones that I have. It's not really the grill that bothers me the most, it's more the mesh. So I asked them if they had at least the carbon ducts in stock, and he told me they did, so I was like, ah, thank God. Because I didn't really want to rock the bumper with the mesh. And when you look at the mesh compared to the carbon ducts, it's like, yeah, bro, you got to get the carbon ducts. It just looks way better. So the only thing I know I might not like is the ducts are going to be carbon and the grill's going to be black. So I think it's going to kind of like offset and look a little weird since I don't have the carbon grill yet, but it is coming. I should have it within a few weeks or a month, and we'll just put the grill on. So yeah, I'm currently busting the mission to go pick that up at their warehouse. Then I gotta head to Detail Union. Then we're gonna be doing the bumper, everything. And then after that, we're actually supposed to hit the canyon and do some filming with a 360 cam on the back. And then after that, I'm supposed to go to PQ. Sheesh. All right, guys, we are here. Now leaving the Adro headquarters. Ooh, this driveway is crazy. Man, I'm real curious to see, cause I know the Adro bumper sits lower than my current one. Front end is gonna sit lower. So I'm like, I don't know if this thing's gonna fit in the garage, bro. I only have a single garage and it has like a little hill to get into it. So it's kind of a pain in the ass to get low cars into it. And this one is right at the edge of like, any lower, it's not gonna work. But, ooh. I think the only thing that might save me is the lip doesn't stick out as far. So, I don't know, it might work. If not, I'm gonna have to park the shit at the warehouse, bro. It's gonna suck. Here are the ducts. Obviously it's wrapped up, you can't see them, but I will show you guys those versus the other ones that I was gonna put on. You're gonna be like, yeah, for sure the ducts. I don't think anybody's gonna disagree with that one. So, oh my goodness, these potholes are crazy out here in LA. We're about maybe 30 minutes from Detail Union. So yeah, I'll be pulling up on them and we're gonna be getting this bumper removed and installing the new one. Let's go. All right, guys, we here. It's time. Excuse my little bags. It was raining, so. Hey, it works. So, I know these wheels aren't gonna probably look the best with the Adro bumper, just because I believe with the Adro bumper, especially if you have the black grill, you need black wheels. So I can tell you guys that right now, the front end is not gonna flow that well with these wheels. I already know. So definitely on the TEs or the Meisters, it will look a lot better. But it's the functional setup right now because we're trying to make this thing hook a little bit. So yep, like I said, guys, I don't hate this front end. Like, it's clean, but I'm just not as attracted to it because so many like G8Xs have the same setup. So it's like, at least if I have the Adro bumper, it just kind of makes the car stand out more. Like, what a day pulling that out to pull this in. That 2RS though, man. I don't know what I'd rather have, the 2RS or the new 992 GT3 RS. Obviously that's a faster car, but in my opinion it still does just look like a GT3. That thing is sick. Alright, guys, here are the ducts. Sheeshers, that quality though. So yeah, I don't know where the other ones are, but it looks horrendous.
the drums.
Guys, so here are the mesh pieces. Yeah, I mean, it's cool to have something there, but it definitely has nothing on the ducks. And like, yeah, it matches with the lip more, but it's just like, nah. So here's the grill. Like I said, all black. I hate that it has this, but not much you can do about it. They don't make it without it, so carbon grill soon. A little piglet. Don't judge it yet. It looks a little crazy without the lid. But emblems on there. The OEM like plastic ducts to the coolers, those had to be cut because we have the carbon ducts. If we had left them regular mesh, we wouldn't have to do that. So those had to be chopped in order to fit, and there were some other fitment issues we were having, but it was because of the aftermarket oil cooler that I have. But it's almost there. Just got the lip left and we're ready to rock. Fitment is pretty solid. That's one thing I like about Adra, stuff fits good. Damn, she hit puberty. The lip is definitely a necessity. But now the whole kit matches. You guys see the black, the gloss black on the side skirt. Full Adro kit now, finally. So right here, I was supposed to paint match these. I'm gonna have to do it later. And this retainer right here kind of got stripped, so that's why we have this gap. But besides that, everything is cool. Full Adro. Very nice. That was the vision, man. Oh yeah, we were supposed to be doing some 360 stuff today, but the bumper took a lot longer than expected, so probably tomorrow. There it is, guys. Very nice. Hate or love it. There it is, guys. Like I said, the wheels aren't going to really flow because of all the black that we got in the front now. But once I put the TEs or the Meisters, it's definitely going to look a lot better. Yeah, it's going to be interesting, guys. This thing sits way lower than it did before. So I don't even know if it's going to go in my garage. It's just going to suck. I'm not trying to scrape it the first day, you feel me? crazy, guys. I know a lot of you guys are doubting this, but can't lie, say it don't look hard. I know a lot of people hate this bumper, but I told you it'll look good. All right, guys. Huge shout out to my guys over here at Detail Union. This bumper was a pain in the ass for them. I feel hella bad. It was just a bunch of little stuff that ended up making it a long process, but at the end of the day, it's done. It looks great. This thing sits a lot lower than the other bumpers, so I actually have to drive this thing like it's a low car now. Which sucks, but you know, it is what it is. I'm used to it. I'm really not trying to drive this car right now, but I don't really got a choice. It's got to drive really slow. Oh shit, puddle. Well, at least there's traffic, so I don't have to worry about even going freeway speed, so we'll be alright. Whoa, nice blinker, sir. All up in my lane. I really hate driving in the rain, guys. Like, if I have a pet peeve, it's 100% driving in the rain or just wet roads, because California people do not know how to drive, bro. They like start panicking, they freak out, they start driving faster than normal. Like, I don't know what be going on, bro. It is ridiculous. Oh, hell nah. My boy riding in the rain? You are tripping. I would never ride a motorcycle in the rain on the freeway. Hell to the nah. You could not pay me. If somebody was like, yo, I'll give you $1,000 to ride this bike 20 miles. Hell nah. Keep your $1,000. But yeah, man, finally, guys, the M4 is coming along, man. There's not a big list of things that I want to do to it now. It's like coming to that point where I could just enjoy the shit out of it. It looks crazy, it's unique, has my taste on it, my flavor, and just enjoy the car. On that note, guys, I appreciate you for tuning in. Be sure to drop a thumbs up for your boy, subscribe to the channel. I'm out.